The Korky Strongarm 6071 works well with canister-style flush valves when adjusted correctly. This trip lever features an adjustable arm and a versatile mounting bracket that allow it to operate canister-style flush valves as well as traditional flapper systems, so it is a practical choice for homeowners replacing a worn handle. To install, first remove the old handle and check the thickness of the tank wall. The Strongarm includes a threaded shank and locking nuts that accommodate common wall thicknesses. And you should hand tighten, then give a quarter turn with a wrench to avoid over-compressing the tank. Next, set the arm length so the paddle on the Strongarm engages the canister lift mechanism without forcing it. There should be a slight positive lift when you operate the exterior handle, not a hard stop. If the canister requires a downward push rather than a pull, reverse the arm orientation as described in the product instructions and confirm smooth travel over the full range of motion. Finally, cycle the flush 3 to 5 times while watching the canister to ensure the seal seats properly and the trip does not hold the valve open. If the canister sticks, shorten the arm by 1 notch or rotate the arm pivot to change leverage. For vintage tanks or uncommon canister geometries, measure the distance from the handle hole to the canister actuator and compare to the Strongarm adjustable range before buying. Common mistakes include leaving the arm too long so it holds the canister partially open, which you correct by shortening the arm 1 adjustment notch and rechecking flush and leak behavior, over-tightening the mounting nuts, which can stress the porcelain, so tighten by hand then no more than a quarter turn with a wrench, and misaligning the paddle so it pushes at an angle and jams the canister, so rotate the arm pivot and test until the motion is linear and free. Each of these fixes is simple to perform with basic hand tools and a few test flushes, and taking time to fine-tune travel and engagement will prevent phantom running and wasted water. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work that matches their skills. Our site also includes a discussion community where users and professionals exchange real-world tips about parts like the Korky Strongarm and installation techniques.